Siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikama.
Hi, welcome to Diski Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is your weekly stop for the latest soccer news, stories, and big talking points from around the world. Whether you're tuning in from home, on the road, or straight from the stadium, we've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the matches, the moments, and the players making headlines. So sit back, relax, and let's kick off with the biggest stories in football right now.
We have been defending for too long now. It's time to take the shots and score the goal. MI Legends Club.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Diski Supreme. Siringa Diski, oh oh oh.
Sanibonani nonke balandeli besiringa ngediski. Ngibela kaofela balateli lebarati basiringa ngediski. Awusheni inkwenu baranzi nabalandzeli basiringa ngediski. Imacheloni wonke bathu bane bafuna bado abatebelela siringa ngediski. Ngonitanganedza machelona namusi nyanamkela nonke kusenga namhlanje kule broadcast yethu yesiringa ngediski. Ngama nomlingano wami la General.
Greetings to everyone. I the General umuntu akalahlwa 10 mashumeshumi number emgogodweni umpa yathuluka wena bafethu siringa ngediski tse adithobe.
Our guys, I think everyone is proper. Last it was when last week we were busy the prediction game Kaizer Chiefs, and then naka right let me go to Durban, maybe hanga that Durban tla Durban City. Hey, ke fitla ke makalabara no re tswile ka draw, so I ga bona grande game because I was on the way nje driver res pusher respana. So guys, game ya Pirates le Durban City village.
Yeah, like I always say now, I don't like hangata or predictors into that. It's not going to be a walkover. And the Durban City came with a plan, and their plan worked for them, whereby they were just parking a bus, and they parked that bus, and the bus was packed for real. We did everything as Pirates to win the game, but luck was not our side that day. So it didn't work for us. We ended up playing a draw of a 0-0. The boys did everything to give us a win. It never came. That was not our day.
Hayi, kahle vele City vele bepaki pass. Uzamile umfuke ngtrainer i-defense ye-City but hayi wathi uyindawo mfana omncane. Fana ama 2K sokubekele eceleni. Ngihead uMaswangayi was playing i-free role. Bekayenza into yakhe. He tried his level best. He did what into bekumele vele ayenze. Apolice naye bekane good game. Unfortunately, hayi pass belipakiwe bekumiwe stop sign. Bebasitshelile Durban ukuthi hayi sababamba namajita ngoba nathi sayidinga le point.
Oh yeah. Then ubudlala ngiKaizer Chiefs idletsi on that weekend.
Yeah, I played. Idletsi Amazulu.
Then yona idletsi jwa.
Iladlala
They won.
They won 1-0.
1-0.
Yeah, they won 1-0.
Then like
And they wanted to secure
Yeah, a position.
a
Yeah.
position
Yes.
for Coco Africa next year.
And we were happy to see who first la. No Villa starting with the game.
Oh,
They were
yeah.
sifuna vele le. Lo mfana lo mama mka chance. Yes, bampule off second half after almost 70-80 minutes, which he played. Created the goal even. Yes, guy le 3 point le masekuzo vela lo mfana lo bantu ulilebo.
Yeah.
Sihlela vele ngengakho. Abona manje sengihappy. sengephi ama-coach ngathi bayalalela maybe babhekile kancane masikhuluma ukuthi sakhala ngalo mjini.
Yeah, so definitely I think wena mjenene anka untshanye hanyane.
Yeah.
I think wena ngare so le busy ka scheme sa se yanka daso. Ene ke a bona re ngare no wa bona right tsa Chiefs tshwantse di ngenge di kene le tsona.
Sure.
Grand o shebile hore wena scheme se sa Hugo Bruce.
Yeah.
Ke tsebe re final sa skipile hore sentshang.
Keep.
So wena yona hana fela re ka winisa ke bomang. Just on your failing nje on players.
Honestly ne to bua most scheme se eish one ni tam ding fela one no so the final scheme ke e we need new feet man, we need new feet there tse bang e commit a copy. Yeah, Fede, we spoke about Peterson. He deserves a chance. Aka itshwara ke imatshwara first lineup. Rena le Mdau, rena le Modiba, rena le Mbogazi, rena le Kabini, rena le Mokoena, rena le who's this guy? Na lo mfana lo rena le Bo Adams, mo Maswangai. We have abomfokeng a police. We can with that scheme. Sinabombatha. You understand? Ngoba umkwena siyazi ukuthi angasibambela as a defensive midfield. Sibamba umbatha as distributele a support le ntwana lezi tsabomkwena nabo a police. Nabo Adams bona bo Maswangai. Need more attack kahle kahle la.
Mara no awukenyinyana Chiefs nyana raso.
Yeah, well, second half. Angiyabetha ngomunyane, ngiyabetha ngomabuye. They can give us something those boys.
Vilakazi.
Yeah, ngoba vele angisho manje akekho sibalweni kangako.
Yeah, I get it. No, but yeah, definitely. He whether Bamadilo or Abamala, anyone. I just want to know right. Wabana say if you this team,
sure.
Nato Winisa, Bafana, everyone would gonna be happy.
Yes.
So yeah, your own scheme.
Yeah.
I say Hugo Bruce.
Yeah, my own scheme. I believe if ever nga combine, kaza mo combine Mokoena, Mbatha lintwana Mabuye, Momohare mo, akikhile kufedit. And then ntwana yakidlalisa Vilakazi ke tomdlalisa lebo a police le Mfokeng. Believe in me. Ke hamba. Anya kuba inze next labo bafana. Ke siphethephethe,
Then morao.
Akomba ona ke tseba khile ka Kabini ke tshwere le Mbogazi.
Yeah.
Kitile. Seteng la Mdau ka replace ka Munyane. Ka da ga dlala ka Modiba. Ke sharp khile. Keeper Peterson I still vote for him. He deserves a chance, that guy.
Yeah.
We prove the point high. Honestly speaking, re ka bua ka etsa. Re ka ya kae. Mari prove this point. Williams Maras can answer too comfortable in Mapali.
Oh yeah.
Aras khohlwa. And una ma mistake apa.
Apa.
He's too relaxed, he's too comfortable. Unok delay na like nothing ekhona ukuthi a delay game. You need to attack and then when you delay ubuyele move. Yasibulala naleyo.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
It's too comfortable, like she's saying, but it's too comfortable. And Peterson, to be honest, it's on the team me abo being performing the way. And the man be faga the shanga de lumfuma. And the lina ma flops. And the mage buili be bonagalo to corner. And the Spaniards shy. Because if I'll be honest with you, Lamuntu inama came a mampela two for the Chiefs and Wabugede. When they played Pirates, he's the one who cost Pirates 3 points. When they play Sundowns, he's the one who cost Sundowns 3 points. So the boys gifted, and again, bear in mind, guys, World Cup, we playing the advantage there, we're talking about the height.
Yeah.
The height. All the corner kicks, I'm 1001% sure, we won't go wrong. We won't go wrong. So, right, Sundowns, we need to buy a local keeper.
Williams.
He's too relaxed, that boy, and he's too sure to do nani. We have found another Pirates to change.
No competition.
I'm not competition for one, understand? Unless you're in a fake injury or a sickness and back a chance. Understand? But fairly. Now I'm voting for Peterson.
Yeah, we need flexibility, guys.
Yeah. Because to jump over this Lemoni William this final.
Yes.
I'm not I the first leg in Akobazala winner Kayiso, but on the final, because Kibono those Indians never match.
But fast.
So I get a good game here. I say yeah. La Pana if we are there for quarter. So Sundowns each year they are playing those games, and La Pana is physically.
Yeah.
Understand? And La Pana back push and once more ureferee besekayenza nje lento ye-VAR bekwama-obvious penalties,
Yeah.
obvious infringements, you understand?
Yeah.
But to be honest with you, uDaniel Peterson, I'm not against it, uyibambile ipenalty, I'm not against it, but this kind of thing player lizitshele ukuthi him la asiyasibukela lapha.
Yeah, because ngibonile Gimbi fast now ukukhala ngayo.
They were running, they were running, and
Definitely.
lento yalabafana bethu laba abancane ayisebenzi lapha.
Yeah, 'cause-
and uma ungekho fit, it's two things: mentally, you got to be there; physically, you got to be there. Uyabona ndoda beyiwayivuke lapha, awumele stretcher. And manje uyacabanga ngiphume igame emnandi kanje. Yabona, so now ucabanga kayi-2, iklapu uwe, understand? And nalama coach wethu nithi i-crowd yami ayikwakekho umuntu ominya njenge-coach. Coach yaminya nje khuluma ngapha wasonto coach, understand? I will even kick the grass in this man. So to be honest with you, ama-coach awethu more especially these outsiders akekho umuntu ominya njengalaba, bahlala baminyile.
Yeah.
Bahlala bathukile, they're always and forever shaking and they miskiki. And if they can stop this thing of playing players according to favoritism, let
Yeah.
them play according to their
Exactly.
work rate.
Because nele fast game le ke bone
Stamina.
sometimes le re
Stamina.
na le fair na
Yeah.
sala lo sala da ba khute ba motse le na sa tsebo re ke tla charge ke re. So that one I think it was a nice game. It was a nice game.
Neifufa.
Yeah,
Ah.
it was,
Flowing.
it was a nice game to watch even.
Yeah.
Because of I want to know Leon. Leon naye wathola ama-chance wakhe unfortunately. And he was unfortunate ukuthi asikaye ihasha nyana something nyana to celebrate, you understand?
Yeah, yeah.
But kunale ntwana bathi number 10 uRhera Smith.
Yeah, yeah.
Hayi asiyekeleni.
Yeah, get
Unalento liya Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yeah.
A hard-working player. Angikhulumi nge-star. I'm speaking about a hard-working player. uRhera Smith mabamyeke. Bakali bama bekushume ekrani bekubonakala ukuthi ukhona phakathi.
Yeah, and I saw there was more support of
Yeah.
Sundowns really there.
There was.
Yeah, definitely. So mapagani alona ke ni before re ya ko mapagani re congratulations to Masandawana. Se ba shaka di stats e kae? Tse tereno.
Two.
I can say one sa church.
True.
Sa kereke.
Two baba.
I'm just joking.
How do work baba? Ona
I'm just
kereke. How do work
joking.
baba?
I'm just
How do work?
joking.
How do work?
So now we come to the final. Yeah, Pagani.
Sure.
Yeah. Finally, Pagani, guys. How was the game?
I'm not impressed, honestly speaking. I'm not impressed. Win ki win. It doesn't matter ukuthi goal lingene ngendlebe or lingene ngekhala. But I was not impressed. Only 2 goal attempts. Pirates be now. It was from Umbatha, I think Nombutuma, if I'm not mistaken. Only 2 attempts from a big team. I was disappointed. I was not happy. Babona ke kunalento bathi match fixing. Kuba ngathi le game it was a match fixing ngoba onke amagoli akhona mawangena ngathi ubone nale keeper yayifaka enethini. Ngathi bamhlebele bathi amfana uyilahlele phakathi ayiphela siyeka thina ngokwethu.
So kuba ngathi match fixing.
Yeah, kuba ngathi match fixing ngathi game ethengiwe. Yes, they won.
But
We are happy.
Do you
but
think fine you can pay players, but do you think they can fix EPSL?
it's possible.
EPSL.
Ikhona everywhere lento le.
With
Money
match
talks.
fixing, if I'll tell you.
It's everywhere.
It's no more happening like before. Before it was planned. They'll come and everything.
Silver plan are $250 per month. Gold plan are $350 per month. Platinum plan are $450 per month. And for our seniors, a special pensioners top up at just $80 per month. Because at KV Funeral Home, we believe every farewell deserves respect, care, and dignity. The dignity.
A coffee with you.
Yeah.
We sit down, we have coffee together. Look, this is how we're going to do it. And the others, the coaches, they benefit out of this thing. And they bear in mind, obviously they were not supposed to go out.
Yeah.
They wanted to stay, and they couldn't. They had to work. I'm talking about Obit now. They wanted to stay. They win, they survive relegation.
Yes.
And again, I was told, I don't know.
Yeah.
I hear people saying, I don't know, that 6 players belong to Orlando Pirates from Obit.
Yes, it's true.
I'm told, I don't know.
It's true.
And bear in mind the conditions when you loan a player. If we play you, you don't play against us.
Exactly.
How Pirates beat Stellenbosch, Mabasa was not allowed to play because he's on loan. You understand? So I can agree that these boys, they belong to Pirates. Because the way it was played, let's leave everything. Like she was saying, it doesn't matter whether it's scored with a nose or with the ear, it's a goal. The bottom line is registered. But now, even me, myself, I was not impressed with the performance of my team.
Yeah.
Okay, but I think, yeah, everyone is not impressed, even me. But now, I think, but Bapaya, they threw the curse on themselves. I give you other team members. Because
Okay.
they said, if Arsenal win a league, Pirates can win a league. So it happened. Arsenal won, Pirates won.
That's football.
So they wanted it. Nagana Noroke Sharp. It's a bona no so spana that spirit bonore. If Arsenal win, then
Okay.
Pirates can win the league. Because Arsenal lona and the Paisa win the league. Ne?
Yeah, yeah.
That's history.
Yeah. 22. Rona after 14.
14, yeah.
So Shailek 7 plus 7, 14.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
Wow.
in the entire PSL, yeah? Look at this. In the entire PSL, since it was formed, PSL, from NSL to NSL to PSL, actually it was NPSL. From NPSL, where by the time NPSL was playing, DBS was playing, was there. I was playing there. I was the topest goal scorer in that league of NPSL. Then came this NSL, NSL to PSL. Ever since, I don't know if there's any team that was won a treble in the entire structure of PSL. Ever since it was formed, the PSL. Never. So, people can say whatever they say. And they've got a right to say whatever they want to say regarding football. You understand? Like my colleague here is saying, whether I'm getting in Jebe or in a car at the bottom line is registered, it's a goal. There was no offside goal, I'm happy. There was no penalty which was wrong, I'm happy. The bottom line is that, okay, I can see the first goal. But I was there to put a pressure to the keeper. Goal 2. The defender, I don't know who's it, whether that Mutumo of yours again was putting pressure.
Yeah,
That
he
boy
was.
hit the ball. I think that is playing back to the keeper. It happens. When we beat Golden Arrows, same thing happened of on goal. This is football. It happens, anything is possible.
Player era keeper can take it.
You understand? That's how it goes.
Yeah.
So I
So,
don't know.
goalkeeper in Adala Pirates. No.
He wasn't.
Ntane again in Adala Pirates.
No.
No.
So, give but Barbaret my Pirates.
Abantu bayakhuluma. I should
Yeah.
abantu bayakhuluma. And then look at this coach here. He likes gambling, that guy. Ngiyakuthanda lokho akwenzayo, angokuthandi. Look at this boy omncane lo we-TTC. Umbone badlala ifinal ebawina ilenti league ngale ku-TTC.
Yeah.
Wamthatha lo mfana wamfaka. First game wamkhipha. Umphindile this week.
Yeah.
The boy won a man of the match. Instead of him celebrating, the boy was crying. I can believe that
Yeah.
Check how old is the boy. And then take all these Paris players with their age advantage on their side. We don't know what is going to happen come 2026, 27.
True.
Akuzonyiwe.
Development.
Yeah.
We talk about development.
Yeah.
And if all these teams in the time, we wouldn't go out and buy players.
We don't
True,
even need
true.
We
to.
don't need to
We don't
do
need
that.
to. Sine development.
Yeah.
We don't need to.
All these teams here around, they've got development. You look at the development of Sundowns, you look at the development of Chiefs, you look at the development of Super Sport. By then, they had good developments.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, 240 corner, and there's this guy behind everything, but you don't talk about him. August Palacios.
Yo, yeah.
Yo.
yeah.
That man is the one who's running a development show with Pirates Home. You understand? Which Chiefs they had to Farouk Khan. That also is gifted now. It's not that by a Vera Babuye. And then the winners are the Pirates and you can come on. Who have you known it? That don't get a macropa or begala. Waka is pan.
Yeah.
You understand? Which is not happening to other teams. At least Sundowns, yes, I'm over. Now, Rusala and Chepe said, you all know what is his role.
Yeah.
You understand? Which is a good thing. Why? Because he's got a history at club, we have the culture at club. Wabili uchele, odala le wabuya, uchele manje, he's playing his role, he's committed. Namhlanje abo Vilakazi banama-post ngePirates. You know, kumnandi. Bengibheke last week, lama player awini treble bawa interview bekune part 1 and part 2 you know bekumnandi abanye babafonela endlini abo Ace Manyisa uhleli into ezingaka kumnandi bakhumbula lesasikhathi you understand which of course is history again izobhala incwadi into abayenze manje ngoGiraffe noma ngiyezwa nithi uzohamba ngazi uyapi
hey this is Thathabani mocabanga
mababuyise lo ebehambile
yeah ngoba
uyo wenze i-foundation yalento esibuyo yena wawina wonke amakhaphu uhlulile so manje maybe lo mvulele manje ngabuya maybe uzaqhubeka la lo washiye khona
ibe done
ngoba vele niyenza apha ama pre-season training wenu eSpain kabulo mntweni uyeke iclub mari you still manage to go kuwo niyofuna yenza khona nibuye obviously nizobuyela khona futhi
because naye uvayile but suddenly nje sekabuyile ungayikazi
he likes Pirates yes say with Pirates is blood is everything he likes Pirates
adding on this thing yama development if you get to check kule game le Chiefs yamagcina ledlalile against it was cheaper ne
cheaper
check le nto le bebayivimbisile the goalkeeper 18 years old
yeah
don't you see a vision yaka Brian Baloyi lapha
yeah
don't you see ukuphapha waka brilliant Khuzwayo you see those kind of things we are in need of that actually so I saw something lapha and I was happy there was nalento le Valepai I've been crying over Valepai yes unobu selfish bakhe and all that but when he's in he's giving in we are shy Spanish sakhe and if you can check his combination no Vilakazi Khotwana bafethu amathima wabhazo khawathe
because like way back vele Diski it was nice not about how can Jerry Khosana nona no Pirates ke ya habona bo Dr Khumalo no tsebo Chiefs ke bona bo like these people they used to love
you understand yes
so no tsebo ra udlala mu no sheba right definitely so this boys is ka how choka that goalkeeper he's doing it proper
at the age of 18 those safuna ukuthi sisimgqume singamjahi kangaka just to give him like 2-3 seasons sinyana then you'll see magic believe in me
when you reach 21
you'll see magic mele bamgqume nje kunama game nyana kumele bamuthi kumtastisa awadlale awabone ukuthi uyapi then bamdonsa bambuyise bambeke esimeni sakhe but he has to work hard but uBhuma I don't see him going anywhere that's he found his competitive now it's happening
hey so le renka lose ya Kaizer Chiefs na kutlile defend hai arina taba position ya rona ke hey
well many they think of a position well we needed the 3 points fair fine si lose la kuna next but according to the way they were playing I believe there was this chances one lento no Batman as to we were attacking we had our fair chance ukuthi senze into esifuna ukuyenza yazi ibhola kuna lento ukuthi ungawudlala 90 minutes uattacker ungakho wena ungatheke kayi-1 ushaye ihasha and then that's what happened with this game esibuya kuyo but thina I'm happy I was happy with the performance
that's why
I'm not a Kaizer Chiefs man or fan or supporter or follower but with the Batman issue I was impressed and then coming to this goalkeeper thing I was impressed as well. The boy's got the reflexes, he makes the noise, you understand? I love the boy. And an advantage to the young man, age. So, we've been talking about development. We do have players. Than to go and buy people outside, yet we've got our own thing here. Right now, Nitini, Abahambe.
Coming to that, that thing. If there's nothing that we're gonna be talking about,
so you can hear from General.
You wanna say something?
Just to close good into Sundowns. If you remember in 2001, Sundowns were focused on efforts of Continental Glory, and they became only the second South African team to reach a prestigious CAF Champions League. From when they were by Basha, it was Petro Atletico, in the semi-finals. So into Bayenzile now with finding the second star, it takes us back to 2001. So we should stand outside Petro Lentoli. We are impressed as a South Africa. Like kulmela wonke umuntu wasekhaya angikhulumeli ukuthi individuals. They gave us something which is promising. We are looking up for kulabafana laba. We are phambili. I just wanted to close
and the bona abeke ukugqokisa labantu bangaphandle ehlapini Gcwele labantu bangaphandle ehlabhini. Asinabo abantu abalocally esingabakhomba ukuthi abantu bethu. Bafaka labantu babaningi bangaphandle.
Aboliyona.
You understand? Because we were told with PSL only 3 players from outside and the rest on the bench. And another thing engenayo kufuneka ama-player under 23 a certain number again. You understand ukuthi bayitswaka nthena ba mixed.
Money talks.
You understand? But with Sundowns, like what GF said, I second what she has just said. I second what GF just said.
All right, so guys, never lebanele problem here Sundowns khutleng ka bo Mofokeng ka bo mang cause every time you like the superstars
Money talks. I'm still saying money
Like
talks.
she's saying money talks.
Money talks.
What I'll tell you, Limamele from former player star Pirates, Tseli Ditsibang. Limamele again.
Yeah.
Former player star Pirates, Tseli Ditsibang. Tseli za jampela kako. De khutlile le inka yi. Di etsa eng. Di shebe.
Yeah.
Di shebe.
The likes of who, Charlie?
You understand? It's no way. You understand? Two, it's now starting to criticize Mofokeng, which was us take Mofokeng as Takaya. And he had his chance. I yet and totally thing. So Mofokeng also teach him at Taui. You understand?
Yeah.
It's 24/7 forecast. On the side of Mofokeng, I'm just warning. I wish his father can listen to this. At the Melekwa, I was Dali and Odala Mofokeng was to see Santana Paul. Because Runar Batokena Morsabat Winti. That is why Mofokeng should have long been gone. But isn't that I Kala Kenyanko? I've been frustrated at Tutsi. And he's good on that. You understand?
Switzerland kopo botsa kai Switzerland no ka lodge e gale ke
Lodge.
lodge.
Lodge you na le issues tsa di coach ina le ntho e boning e tsibuang ke yona. We've been singing, crying, shouting. Coach is stand by his foot. I'm mad.
Yeah, maybe one day we'll for the reasons.
Ke dileng e amporeng cause ba bang ba choche ya Master Chef. Ya because there's a rumor saying Master Chef o dula bshaya. O dula atla late le go training. Atla uwe shali dizolo. Ke rumor, it's just a rumor.
Mamela batho ba bua. And batho ba bua ntho e seng teng. You understand? So kaofela ra mrata Master Chef. O tlile le Manko Pirates. The
Le Giraffe.
interview that they asked Giraffe, if we come in, you win this job, this position as a coach, who do you want us to buy for you?
What you Master Chef?
Master Chef.
Master Chef. And okay, fine, I'm Dala Hanyani. Allow me to tell you this. The Bafana coach is angry at the Giraffe. Alika Chef, Giraffe, Hugo Bruce was running Pirates,
Yeah.
telling the coach who to play, how and do that.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? So now, issue, yeah, Master Chef. We put on when say Mbule. Last thing I was looking at number 16. Mbutu Mbata. But would Kilata and all those years. People can fabricate things.
Yeah.
So I see in the
room.
You understand? So unama issues wakhe kaphi kunama injari bafowethu bengitshela omunye ekuseni lapha siplomile ngidazi mina ngike ngadlala ibhola ngeinjection angazi sa kune place Sundowns sibuye ifaka you understand ebedlala ngeinjection sibuya lapho
Ka ke mang ska dile clip ya Edwin Motlale bila bua ka ona na ba re ba mutima scheme wa di date na kapa batho ba ko di
Go
training
Jimmy wetsa jwang
so tse ba
I
khona
remember what Mtale was saying. I was on trials with Pirates. Really go mining. Never risara. How join a Pirates no iswa go mining ko tlase kwa. Ko Carltonville. Uthola machitala mate. Na mandla story. By then I'm playing live. Aranga kudlala Pirates. Ngizwile bathu Dumile blind. Angeke kudlala Pirates. Balishapa limwele. Within 10 minutes balishapa limwele. Tla yena hapo no rato ngkhutazi. Ari ngutsheli ngathi ngikudlala la. By then. So nthayi buang edi machita baya iyakalaki nthiwe time le la zang le morate lochi azang le be le mobatle and angeke le mobatle never le morate reason like you are saying known by the coach.
Oh yeah.
So
So
he deserves to play. We need him go Scotland, honestly speaking.
yeah.
We do need him.
The boy is doing wonders.
Yes.
Mwadula mwalinte
He's fit.
So in closing guys, who wanna start? Ke batla ho botsa re lona le renka mabahambe.
Hey, yazi on this yabona lento le ya mabahambi. Seyacaka ngoba
Ukayihlisa mic yo. Ya uyehlise fela. Yeah. Yeah.
kula malanga yazi lento le yakhulunywa manje. Iloku bathi mabahamba they are not going. Like, well, whether immigrants should live or not in South Africa. South Africa is a complex and deeply debated issue, Leah Mabahambi now, with no simple answer. You understand? Because as the country, we face issues like socio-economic, challenges, which is something alongside legal obligations as now. And economic, ukuthi manje wonke umuntu is complaining about the fact ukuthi basithathele ibhani bayenzani forgetting ukuthi nathi ngayi we are lazy into ukuthi manje sengifuna isibani zongitshela ukuthi uzongika 3.5 a month ngiyakutshela ngalama qualification enginawo I deserve more than that yena mabafika ikhalanga bathi emfethu bamba kanje awuyachat uyazi ukuthi uzomsipanela going forward. I believe and I think so whether they go or not, either way nothing will change like us.
Okay, can I answer General before? General, it's not saying that people are lazy. Like, let's say, for example,
Sure.
you know, okay, now I work this much, I get lodala.
Sure.
Then, ebo fihla na chibambu kurungu.
Yeah.
Ki fihla ke rai. Now, logang ka 50 rand.
Sure.
Even sky Kenya go bank go straight, because already I cannot didn't I go kawat.
Yeah,
Well, so you see that already. These people, it's not
Yeah.
only about work. Even me, I'm doing film. First way back on film, no hero, but I keep up on to the camera. But now it tends to be those African people by to the camera.
Sure.
But now when you find out, you can find out the story. Yeah, that African person, annually equipment worth 250 million. We put a Rohingya guy that equipment.
Sure.
But he came as worker, now he owned this equipment. So Kochoro Ushele Mangamla, then Achono Gula Shope. So this thing Yabatubana. Harasai check Yarkawata because we are not benefiting anything. The government benefit them because they have mines that side. So Rona from Dinosis, Kela, anything, even us we wanna sell the veg, even us we wanna do let's say Kitilo System Zerak and Alomana Atako Limpopo coming with fruits and everything. I think if in total Nikitsora didn't Tangabe Alada, Kevana less 10 people buy. But now we close it about Fibala PB, Barik say 5 rand veg, which is 5 rand veg, Komaget is the veg that they are throwing away.
Sure.
And these people buy the Inca and Ronara di buy. And we're still saying, how about Samarito lap? But
Then
Kochoro
when
Olap
I
or
buy
Ujedi Jota Taspi.
Then when I hope I saw
Yeah. I gotta know another thing or how about some then they'll see where Mutona Mutoturan because Lena Mutobatlang Coco Robatlang cigarette, they rather say for the original I'll go to garage. And the garage, yeah, garage have a pie. Then we come to Chief. Chief, anything you wanna say about Mabahambu?
You know what is worrying me? Lo phambili orana le show yaka Mabahambe.
Yeah.
Ubuya khona le asowala wali.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? Of which I'm not against Bahambe. Mabehamba like you were saying, asifuna ukusebenza thina. Siyafila lapha. Ngikhuluma nawe manje abaningi balele sikhuluma so. Abaningi mabevuka bayobloma emakhoneni. Khulunywa ngathi manje. You understand? Manje ngikhuluma nani? Bane problem ngemoto yeni imelapha egedini lapha. Bane problem manilanda ujila lapha niza naye la. You understand? Abantu bethu sihlala ukunakana nabantu asifuna ukusebenza. UAndile mani ngamamela. When he praised that boy, uthandazela nabaya kuma interview. You understand? Uthi abathola isipani, mara uthi bakithi bayavila lapha. Ubheke mabehamba. You know what's going to happen? Some batla afika na ayiyo. Then batla urikisa ayiyo. You understand? Rimatate. Let's plan this thing handle. And then telling to right now we got the election. They are aware, okay? People are campaigning. That's it's my motto, it's my belief. Leaders are not elected. Leaders are born. Babangata babatlo badili ke banga ba re boning ba kena. Ayo ntse ba yetsang and ayo ntse ba tlo yetsang. And balwana aba medi nako ya bona ifihle. So libo ba bahambe. Wena o ring mabahambe o limang. Who are you when I was saying mabahambe? 2, are you proper? Are you ready? Like Herman says, proper. Are you proper? Are you ready? Mabahambe was totally stock usfake la shop. See busy. You check all those things. And abo mabahambe. Banencwadi. Yafika ugogo yokolotisi inyanga maphela bayobhadala. Thina sizokwenza lokho na. Wasihlula kudala. So mina mangisibhayi samabahambe angisibhayi mabangahambi. I'm just me. Lo mina ngishap nabantwana bami I'm okay.
All right.
The rest is history.
Yeah, hi. To answer you, Mr. Mzerewa, I'm still gonna say, let me ask you a question. What makes you think South Africans are lazy?
Chief, the domination, the dominant yala, outsiders.
What made South African lazy? Matter of fact.
They don't know what, but you're going to
I Chief Pega. Ilento esisho ngayo ukuthi the thing is even us thina ama South Africans sinenkinga ukuthi chief uyaspana or chief ufuna ispani mina ngiphethe ispani. Chief ngibhayithela ispani. Ngeke ngimgaye ispani nje mahala. So there's the thing ukuthi chief ngigaye ispani then enye into as thina bodaki we definitely like cheap labor. That's why we're using these people. We definitely want cheap things. Yeah, we want cheap things. Ama Pakistani abulali ingosi ama Pakistani paisa interest better, but we still go there and still a seat. So the problem here ukuthi we are afraid ukuthi like to start afresh is not easy. That's the thing. I know to start afresh, if you're moving to another location and start afresh, you might get hungry for a couple of months and suffer for a couple of months to adjust. Yeah. So us, I think we are afraid Uti we can't do this. Me, I definitely want to open a spaza. Me, I definitely want to sell veggies. Like there's many things that we definitely want to do. But now, if these people are here and these people they are working with the government, they are working among them, because ukona anything ngiyabona umuntu athengisa is South African, lo athengisa uwangaphandle. Lona imethu lafika la umgayi kholi lo we South Africa akakhipha ikholi bayamkhipha. Sebamkhipha la. So kuyekwaleyana. So yiyo lento ngisho ukuthi we need mabathi mabahambe. For me I think ukuthi we just need people to move out so that we can check and deal with our government. Because now our government is not having a say ngayo lento le. They still like last time aboThabombeki they said we are lazy. We don't have skill. But hibo abantu abakhipha abo agriculture egela ngalama subject laba keep like they turn everything basifakela ama OPE kwenzani ukhiphe ama agriculture we not sowing anymore. Then after that at the end they saying you don't have the skill, you are lazy. It's like, my man, how can I have the skill? Because you took out the skill, egela. Then after that, me nangazama ukwenza lento lena. Mangifika ngithi ngiyayenza, still I don't find it ngitshela ukuthi angina skill. Lo wangaphandle momlanda, awumlanda ukuthi une skill, umlanda ngokuthi uyakuthenga nje. Uzospana and everything like kuthengisa zona uzokuthengisa cheap like ngisazi ngama room nani. Bakushayele after lapho imvula nani semoshekile. Bese ulungisela we South Africa kutshela Thamari ngikutshela ukuthi uthenge 2 meter uthenge isementi ezingaka why uspanisa abo patrol ayi thenga 3 thenga yenza umngani dani yabona
mina ngiyamiyazi
so bathu ba haretse le profile tsabona re di jwang
sure
I think rona
wena mabefuna ispani kuwe bafuna ama CV
yeah
bafuna ama reference basebenza kuphi ubanike reference bafonele lo umuntu if anizwana yakuzonda akumoshele lo awusaqhubekanga
because you know your word
so kumanje kunje like he saying ukuthi ubabombe mina you won't believe when my firstborn son daughter was born Felicia that was 86 I stopped working till today but I'm surviving how I've got a way of doing things not fraud not corruption just straight thing.
You see, you have a skill.
You understand?
Skill
so
yeah.
The skills are called. I went to a course. Yeah, skill whatever. I've got the certificate. Nyaspan. That's why I'm feeling when you're meeting. You're paying my kulum. Utaila. Aston. You understand? But that's why when you're telling zero buahu, because kibwadi need. So, but tobacco resource nobody busy kabahambe. Aba start aba plan nebona kabubono okay. Atsamai. Shop it inkan like ispani. Yeah. But I have abahambe abacetha shop elikwethu lironar kwethu remisi masana plus utoba then it's a waste limatsama sitsa.
Guys, sorry guys, please like, subscribe on our channel. We still besiringa ngedisk nje beside kulento le abahambe because I think abafana yeah and abafana will have a challenge on FIFA ngada. If Trump akadlali you'll tell them ukuthi ningaze ngalezi zinto lama bot ama xenophobia because I feel good South Africa when they go in there these African people, they will start acting funny. So yiyo lento ukuthi fanele
You must be
silungise.
careful, Baba.
Yeah.
You must be careful.
Thank guys, like, subscribe, ringa ngedisk.
Away.
Aware.
Hayi asibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngediski asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi afrustani diski adlalile idiski that's why siringa ngediski yes ya yibungi ngijane laba.
Every day, same story. Messy this, Ronaldo that. Can we eat first? They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind. That Disky Supreme. See it in the Disky. Oh, oh, oh. They fight like lions on a TV show. In the Disky. Ah, ah. Forget the world when the whistle blows. From Soweto to Rio, they go. I caramba, no. In the Disky. That's the only truth they know. He wakes up, no kiss, just a score line. Did you see that red enterprise?